Okay, good morning. Today our group is going to present about developing an effective performance management system. My name is Anand, my ID is 16213, and I'm going to first briefly give you the definition of what is an effective performance management system. Okay, as you can see here, effective performance management system is activities done to ensure goals are constantly being met in an effective and efficient manner. A company must reach its goals effectively. That is what we call performance management system. Examples of performance management systems are develop clear job description, provide ongoing coaching and feedback, and provide promotion and career development opportunities. These are the simple examples of performance management system. After this, my group will explain briefly about in detail the benefits, characteristics, and also give you in detail review of this topic here.
My name is Lim Lam Thye and my metric ID is 16142. Now I'm going to talk about another 5 key steps in developing an effective performance management. First, we need to give workers a sense of how they can fit into the company's strategies by explaining to them how their particular contributions can affect a certain goal such as increase sales or improve customer service. Next, we need to give employees an opportunity for career growth, as workers get excited about how the company's strategy works, and their part, they want to know what they can do in order to advance professionally. And then we need to link workers' skill to the job roles. We need to look at not only the level of skill the employee may have, but also the type of skill they have. And then we need to encourage people to behave in such a way that will carry the company goals forward. And that happens only when the leader within an organization show that they believe in performance management framework and they live it themselves. And lastly, we need to identify gaps and monitor this over time. We need to identify ways to coach and mentor the employees and build a sense of accountability across every employee. And that's all for my part.
My name is Weng Soon. My metric ID is 15855. So today I'm going to talk about the key step in developing an effective performance management. So before we start with anything, we need to know our organization goal so that we can plan our strategy to move forward. After we plan our strategy, we need to align our business unit with our strategy so that both the business unit and the strategy will go along the path. After that, we also need to agree on what kind of people we have. For example, like we need to know their characteristics and how their strength will affect our strategy. And after that, we need to know what kind of person do we need in our organization to improve it. After that, we need to evaluate our employee with a constant criteria or consistent criteria so that they can perform at a constant manner. And that's all for my part. I'm going to pass through to my colleague to the few other steps. Thank you.
My name is Lam Jen Hui and my metric number is 16348. Now I'm going to tell you about the benefits of an effective performance management system. So the benefits, there are 3 parts. One is for employee, one is for manager, and one is for the company. So for the employee, this effective management performance system will provide more motivation for the employee so that they will perform more. And if the feedback is delivered properly and genuine opportunity is being developed and for the employee, and the employee will raise their self-confidence will be raised. And the job is more clearly defined for the employee so they will perform better. And the benefits is, one of the benefits is that the employee, they make it clear for the employee to work like the efforts are all aligned with the strategic goal, and also develop more opportunities for the employee. And as for managers, the manager will gain better knowledge of a team members or the individuals in the team, and it will increase the team and individual performance. And ongoing discussion of performance of the individuals in the team will prevent larger issues from occurring. And as for a company, the benefits for a company is that the strategy are better communicated and understood and accepted. The efforts are all aligned with the strategic goals. Anyway, the increase of bonus in the budget will be spent fairer, so that it will give more credibility and it will improve better in terms of motivation. It will motivate the employee as well as the managers. And that's all for the benefits, and all of these benefits will occur only when the effective performance management system are being applied and all of the strategy are aligned with the goals to be achieved. And that's all.
Thank you to my friends. My name is Yuveneshraj. My ID is 15869. Just now, my friends, I will talk what is effective performance management and how it works. Okay, my part is today is to talk about the characteristics in developing an effective performance management. The first characteristic is management is a cycle. If you are a manager or owner, you need to do some process throughout the year for your company. The first is planning. You need to set goals and expectations for your company. Second is executions, like projects and tasks for your employees and for your managers. The third one, developing and supporting your employees such as coachings and also give more motivation for your employees. The third one is evaluations. As a manager, you need to evaluate and also analyze deeply your company's performance end of the year for your company's future. This should be occurs between managers and employees, with the HR departments and also other leaders. So the second one is strategic business process. As a manager, you need to have some plans and also strategies to have a high profit and also turn your company into a big one. The first strategy is goal settings, which the organizational goals should be casted down through your employees to make sure they follow and also achieve the goals. The third one is talent outcomes. The talent outcomes is like if your employees or managers do a perfect job, so you need to give them promotions, pay extra, or send them to the leadership camps and like motivations. Okay, the third one will be the systematic and the cultural. Okay. Management is not simply include evaluations and improvement plans. Actually, it's a system of integrated activities, tools that carried down by your organization throughout the year consistently. The third one is like how you carry down the systematic and cultural characteristic is through meetings, coachings, leadership programs, and extra. That's all.